What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Only 4 Cylinders and another video. So as you can see, today we have the EG here, its usual resting place in our tent, and it's finally time for us to tear this thing apart. I am nervous and excited all at the same time, but I'm definitely most excited. So the goal is to get this thing down to a bare engine bay, bare firewall, both inside and out, because the goal is to get the engine in the machine shop, to get a few things checked over and hopefully upgrade the head and just refresh it for next season and everything like that. And we have a lot of upgrades to come, so it's exciting. While it's out, of course, not only are we going to just clean everything, but we have a new front end going on the car, new doors, which will be fiberglass. I think that's one of Jesse's favorite parts that are coming.
Yeah, get rid of all them dents.
Right, major dented doors. But yeah, so while it's out, we decided to get the cage certed because it's only a matter of time before we're going to need it, so we might as well do that now. And we will also be painting the inside of the car and the engine bay. At least that's our plan. So today, we don't know how far we're going to get or what we're going to do, but we're just going to try to get everything stripped out of this thing, get it all taken apart, and go from there. So we're going to start cracking on this thing. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you in a little bit when the work's done.
You're a bitch.
Behind the door?
Of course there
You might
is.
not even get it all.
Exactly. I'm cutting it. I'll cut these doors off too. Fucking shit. You bitch. Well, I'm fucking the paint up, but I guess it don't matter.
On the fender, the door.
Both.
It don't matter.
Fuck, man.
That's hilarious. Off here, I just wanted to fill you guys in because I didn't mention it, but we are planning on going with a tubular rad support, so that's why that came off the way it did. But yeah, already obviously it doesn't take long to turn this thing, especially when you don't have all the bolts. But yeah, we did the knockoff little headlight tuck, you know, last time around before we put the car together, so that makes things easier as well. But yeah, so the rad support's off. Now we can get this thing more easily torn apart. I'm hoping to change the radiator setup because we'll be changing the weight plate along with the wide front. But yeah, like this radiator, like I don't know, it's a good idea the first time around. It was cool, it worked, like we made it ourselves. But it, you know, it's just a little too hard to work on. It gets bulky, so I'd rather make it as easy as possible, and of course have easier lines and stuff to deal with. But yeah, we're gonna keep cracking on this thing. I just wanted to let you guys get an idea of why we did what we did, why we're whacking on this thing. We will clean all this up and get it, you know, nice and fancy before the new tubular goes on. Like I said, since we're painting it, we want to get as much of it done now before we get fancy. So I don't know if we're going to do anything about that. We haven't decided. I believe it was hit and welded once before when we got it. It was like, oh, we got it, but I don't know. I might leave it there. We don't really care. I don't really. It doesn't matter to me. What do you think, Mr. Quiet?
Nothing.
You guys know how he gets a little camera shy. But yeah, we're going to keep cracking on this thing. Watch it tear it out. So this is what you call a head gasket on the way. She is full to the brim. That head gasket lasted, trying to think, a lot of dyno sessions, all the track runs, stock ARP studs, and 40 pounds of boost. She was calling it quits though. We knew it. we just kept sending it anyway. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys that it is full of nasty color too. That was green when it started.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It smells a little, I don't know. Can't even tell if it's oil. It's got a smell to it. It ain't cool.
So it's dirty.
It smells like burnt rust. Like a battery.
It's probably the pistons are probably seized.
But yeah, we just wanted to show you guys our head problem. And we're gonna get back to work. Fresh on this thing for maybe an hour and a half. As you can see, it's just about ready. We all we're down to is the motor mounts, I believe. Harness is out, the little side stuff that attaches, and axles are out. Everything's ready to rock and roll. Pretty good job there, feller.
Yep.
The turn wrench is pretty good, you know. But yeah, this little D16 Z6. I'm gonna get out of light. Yeah, puts in work, but it will no longer be all D series. We're gonna utilize the B series training now. About time. So we're not sure what B series training yet. Could be built, could be stock, could be dog box. We don't know yet. Figure that out. But the goodies are for the next video. For now, let's just get this thing tore down and cleaned up. So yeah, we're gonna pick the motor up out of this thing and then see what we want to do for the firewall and the engine bay. So, see you guys in a bit. See, we have the motor out. I'm enjoying snack time. Boy, this guy. Here, hose off, I guess?
Yeah, taking the intake off.
Nice.
You know?
So, I guess we're going to pull the intake, the alternator and stuff, and the rest of it go to the machine shop, probably put the clutch off. But we're going to strip the firewall. I believe that is our little venture goal now. Yeah, bare firewall. And there's things I want to do. I want to cut. I'm just cut on the front of this thing. The chest is not about it.
We ain't cutting nothing.
We're cutting it. Mom, we're cutting it. This got to go. All that gone. Both sides. Look at this. Excuse me, sir. What are we gonna do with that? Look at that. It's trash. I'm gonna cut that off. All of it. And make it a tubular idea I have. You know what you're doing?
The wrench don't fit.
So, Sean Andrew, a couple videos ago on the Suburban, you would ask me about the hand tattoo, and I told you I'd let you know. So, there's a turbo. And yeah, that's all it is. Glad you like it. I like it. You like it?
Alright.
You gonna get one?
No.
You should. I'll write your name in mine and you put my name in yours.
No.
Why not? You gonna get only 4 cylinders tattooed?
No.
What? Don't be scared.
Maybe one day.
Yeah, you are. You know you are. Right on your ribs. You should do it on your belly button.
No.
Kneecap. Kneecap?
No.
You gonna pull the rail off?
No.
Oh.
She can stay in there.
That's what I was thinking. But alright. Yeah, guys, he's gonna do that. And we're gonna start shipping this Firewall. And you guys are gonna get to see it at the next step. So, nice. Let's get it. Well, guys, as you can see, it is bare. So she is ready to be cleaned and decided on exactly what we need to make next. But yeah, we're definitely going to be going underneath, you know, tomorrow or whenever that we decide to come back to this. But all the original fuel lines can come out, and all the other brake lines that run in the back can all come out. We could have took them out last year, but we just chose not to. It was too much work, and we had plenty of other things that we wanted to do with the car anyway. So they can all come out now. But you know, now that we're actually trying to really make something of this thing, it's time to get down to everything, not just what makes it move. And Jesse got most of the other accessories off the motor. Man, that thing's little. I just think that little tiny thing hurts some feelings. It's great. But yeah, I'm still gonna get the clutch off it, and I think that's it. I might be ready to go to the machine shop. But yeah, we're gonna get the shift linkages out and all them lines, like I said, and then like I was joking around earlier, I really want to cut these off and make something square to where two can come around for the front end and all that good stuff. We'll figure it out, and yeah, go from there. Definitely, it's going black, right? That's the plan.
Yeah, black.
Paint it black.
Black.
So, black it will go, at least for the engine bay and hopefully the interior as well. Interior is next. I think this will wrap this video up, but next on the list is definitely the interior. Grab that light. It's behind you in it. Oh, it's up here. Gotcha. So, I don't know how dark it is in here, but yeah. So we didn't really do too much. Like, obviously I just put everything in, but yeah. So we're gonna take the dash out and make the inside of the Firewall as bare as the outside. Get the seat out. And we think we're going to cut out that wall that we built for the Firewall, since there will no longer be a fuel cell back there, because we're going to go with like a small 2 or 3 gallon up front. So that can come out, and yeah, it's more and more to come out and make changes. So it's kind of exciting. I'm pretty hyped about it. It's going to be sick. So, whew, a lot to go, but it'll be worth it. I think that's about it for this one. I don't even know. Like I said, next time we do the inside, but I think the goodies that we have and the goodies to come, we're not going to show just yet. Wait, stock up a couple more, but well, I can't wait to show you guys. They're dope. It's going to be sick. But yeah, do what you guys do. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know you like what we're doing. And yeah, I think that's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only 4 cylinders, baby. That's all it took. Facebook, Instagram. Check us out. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.